Hello, little bookworms. I'm Georgie, and today we are going on a very funny journey with Jack, who wants to share his love for the zoo with his classmates. But will they listen, or will they keep getting distracted? So snuggle up, get comfy, and let's discover the fun inside the pages of Who Likes the Zoo by Yasmin Bastouil, with stunning illustrations by Liza Polovynkina. Here we go. All right, children, gather in. It's time for sharing. Let's begin. Today, we will be sharing something we like to do. Who would like to go first? It can be any one of you. A flurry of hands shot up to the sky. I'd like to go first, said a voice, quiet and shy. It was Jack who was first. He had come well prepared. My favourite thing is to visit the zoo, he shared. Oh, the zoo, said the teacher. I do love the zoo. Is there anyone else who enjoys going there too? Yes, said William. I do need glue. My glue's disappeared. I'm not joking, it's true. Not glue, said the teacher. Who likes the zoo? I do, a voice filtered through. Okay, Rosie, you like the zoo? Yes, cried Rosie. I do love blue. Have a look at my new blue shoe. Not blue, said the teacher. Who's gone to the zoo? I have, a voice said on cue. All right, Emily, you've been to the zoo. Yes, said Emily, I have had the flu. And with that she sneezed a big achoo! Not the flu, groaned the teacher. The topic's the zoo. Who likes the pandas? I hear they have two. I have a pet panda. I have one too. My rabbit eats lettuce. Mine eats bamboo. Children, let's pause for a moment or two. We're not talking about glue sticks, blue shoes or the flu. Jack's sharing is about a special venue. His sharing is about visiting the zoo. Is there anyone here who has been to the zoo? Who has cuddled a koala, patted a roo? A flurry of hands shot up to the sky. The teacher was hopeful for one last try. But then, when is it recess? Antonio cried. Well then, Jack, said the teacher, I've been to the zoo. The giraffes were my favourite. How about you? What a funny adventure we had with Jack in his classroom today. Who Likes the Zoo is a perfect reminder that even when we have something exciting to share, things don't always go to plan, and that's okay. If you loved Who Likes the Zoo, you'll find a link to purchase your very own copy in the video description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more magical stories. Do you know what it's time for now? It's time for us to stretch our arms up into the sky and wave goodbye to each other. Until next time, keep being wonderfully you. Bye for now.